Greetings from Laural, Montana. Just about 10 miles, maybe 10 miles west of Billings. We're almost ready to go. I am trying to log on to Audible. I want to download another book in the series that I'm listening to. Oh, we've got, I don't even know where I'm going to today. Right now I've got plugged in a Flying J in Mandan, North Dakota, which is near Bismark, kind of right in the middle of the state. But that's not far enough. It's only 416 driving miles. So, I'll decide after I get there. And Fargo is too far, I think. Yeah. So I don't know what we're going to do. Anyway, you're invited to ride along with us as we cross the eastern half of Montana and much of North Dakota. And yep, that's it. We're gonna get rolling here in just a couple of minutes. Welcome to my over-the-road trucking adventure. If you're new here, my name is Rick, and along with Trucker Kitty, I haul freight all across the lower 48 states. In my videos, I share some of what it's like to be an over-the-road truck driver. One of the things that I really enjoy sharing in my videos is the awesome scenery all across this country. If you've ever wondered what it's like to be an over-the-road truck driver, hop in, buckle up, and enjoy the ride. Let's roll. Poke along. Cares what you have to say, be quiet. Again. Well, we're on the east side of Billings. That was a Flying J on the right. We got a Pilot on the left. And coming up in a mile is the I-90-94 split. Actually, I-90 continues off to the southeast, but 94 starts right up ahead. But they treat 90 as an exit, which makes no sense to me. Whatever. We're gonna hop on 94. Now, depending on where we were going in Minnesota, like if we were going to be in southern Minnesota, we take 90 down to the Bighorn Battlefield Monument. You get off there on US Highway 212 and take a serious long back road trek to across the southeastern corner of Montana into a little piece of Wyoming, and then into South Dakota before getting back onto 90. I don't remember how much it shaves off, but it's a fair amount. Anyway, we're not going that way. We're on 94. We'll be on 94 all the way to the Twin Cities, Maple Grove. You know, we're only like 10 minutes east of Billings, and it's already looking like the Badlands out here. Crazy. Well, we're done for the day. We are in Mandan, North Dakota. We're just a few miles and a few minutes west of Bismark. I couldn't remember the name of the town. Bismark, North Dakota. We're just minutes west of Bismark, North Dakota. We've got about 465 miles left to do tomorrow to make delivery. We've got until 8 p.m. to get there. We're on track for that. What else? You know, I saw an eagle today on the side of the road. Well, off to the shoulder of the highway, and it was just chowing down on some roadkill along with some other birds. I think they were probably crows or something. I actually didn't get a good look at them. I was too busy focusing on the eagle. I'm like, is that an eagle? It is. And as I went by, it was just like had its head up, looking at me, looking at him. I'm like, son of a gun. Not the first time I've seen an eagle feasting on roadkill, but it's been pretty rare. Anyway, yeah, bald-headed eagle. Black body with the white head. It's pretty cool. Of course, I don't have video of it, but you know, can't have everything. So interesting, you know, a lot of wildlife out here. I don't think I saw some deer. Yeah. So anyway, that's it. We covered about 420 miles today, and ooh. Man, I hope I'm not getting my cold back. Are you done already? I gave him some of his gravy food. He's already up here. And you want to come over here and say hi to the people? Huh? You want to come say hi to the people? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. He wants no part of it. Leave me alone. Yeah. He says, I'll tell you what I want. I want you to touch me. He'll want to snuggle later. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for riding along with us today. If you like the videos, please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to share this video or others with your friends and family on Facebook and Twitter. And we'll pick this up again in the morning. Have a good night.